2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata continues its legacy as a pure driver's car, featuring a sleek and athletic design that captures motion even at a standstill. Brought to you by Berge Mazda. With its long hood, short deck, and sculpted body lines, the MX-5 embodies Mazda's Kodo design philosophy. Simple, elegant, and emotionally engaging. Available LED lighting, an updated front fascia, and lightweight alloy wheels complete the Roadster's timeless look. Under the hood, the MX-5 packs a 2.0-liter Skyactiv G engine, delivering around 181 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, paired with a precise 6-speed manual or available automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive and near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution give it razor-sharp handling. The 2025 model refines steering response and suspension tuning for even greater agility and connection to the road, making every curve feel like a thrill. As a true two-seater roadster, the MX-5 doesn't have back seats, just a driver and passenger perfectly positioned in the cockpit for an intimate, balanced driving experience. The absence of rear seating keeps weight low and focused, staying true to its performance-first philosophy. Inside, the MX-5 Miata combines minimalist design with premium materials. Supportive bucket seats keep you planted through tight corners, while soft-touch surfaces and contrast stitching elevate the cabin's feel. Despite its compact footprint, the interior is thoughtfully designed for comfort, offering a snug yet inviting environment with easy access to all controls. Mazda enhances the MX-5's confidence with iActive Sense safety technologies like blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, and smart city brake support. These systems offer added peace of mind while maintaining the car's lightweight and driver-focused nature. The manually operated soft top can be opened or closed in seconds, allowing instant access to open-air freedom. Available features like heated seats, automatic climate control, and LED lighting make everyday drives more comfortable. With compact proportions and easy parking, it's as practical in the city as it is thrilling on winding roads. Every MX-5 comes equipped with Mazda's latest infotainment interface, featuring a crisp 8.8-inch display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The available Bose premium audio system delivers rich, clear sound, even with the top down. Smart keyless entry and connected services ensure that technology complements the driving experience without distraction. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata remains one of the purest expressions of driving joy. Lightweight, agile, and beautifully crafted. It's a car built not just for transportation, but for connection between driver, machine, and the open road. You can view our selection at bergemazda.com. Give us a call at 480-498-5614. Or visit our showroom today.